Hey, it's Busy Beaver Reviews here. We were sent this drone to review and try out for you guys. It does come in a nice protective carrying case, and here is what it looks like. You have your instruction manual back here, and then in this bag, we'll open it up, show you what's in here. There are some uh, propeller guards that you can use, so if you fly indoors, you can put those on the propellers to keep them from falling off or breaking if you bump into a wall. And then there are some extra propellers, a screwdriver there to change them out. Looks like there's an extra screw as well in case you lose a propeller. And then a charging cable for the two batteries. This is the battery. They're small. There's the drone itself. Here's the controller. The controller has a flip-up part to put your phone in. So what you want to do when you power the drone on is connect to the Wi-Fi in the drone, which will allow you to see what the drone is seeing on your phone. And then here is the drone itself. It's very small and lightweight. It's a compact drone you can take anywhere with you. It does have a camera there on the gimbal. The camera can be adjusted from the remote up and down as well. There's even a camera here on bottom so you can get a bird's eye view when your drone is up in the air. We're gonna go ahead and get this outside and get it up in the air and show you what it looks like. All right, so I've got the app pulled up here. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi in the drone. You can see the camera all ready to take off. It does have one button takeoff, so you can long press this stick if you want to take off, but we're just gonna pull both of these down, which starts up the drone. Then we're gonna get it up in the air here. So you can see it's got a little bit of drift to it. It does have fine adjustments, so you can push these buttons here to kind of dial it in so it doesn't move around. So we're gonna hit it back, gonna get it to where it just sits still, just like that. So we've dialed in the fine adjustment there. We can take it up, we can take it down. So as you can see, it's a very lightweight drone. It's even got some headlights on the front of it, which is a nice feature. And then here on the drone, the app itself, we can turn around, you can see what I'm seeing. You can take a picture with this, swipe that away. You can switch it between modes. We can take a picture. Here we'll switch to bird's eye view, then we'll switch it back. You can switch between video and picture there, and it will save the pictures to the device itself, which is nice. You can adjust the speed of the drone right here. There are so many different things you can do with this. It's such a good little drone. Let's see how high up we can go real quick. So, I mean, it can go pretty high in the air. You can get good views seeing it as it goes up on your phone here. It connects to that Wi-Fi. This is a great little affordable drone. I love it, and I highly recommend it.